Are you ready to elevate your creative projects with the power of 3D printing? Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional designer, or simply curious about this innovative technology, choosing the right 3D printer can make all the difference. With a plethora of options available, it can be overwhelming to find the perfect machine that meets your needs. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best 3D printers on the market today, highlighting their standout features, applications, and what sets them apart. Join us as we dive into the world of 3D printing and help you find the ideal printer to bring your ideas to life. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. AnkerMake M5C, our pick for best budget 3D printer. The AnkerMake M5C open-frame 3D printer is designed with your needs in mind, making it an excellent option whether you're just starting your 3D printing journey or are an experienced maker. Assembly is straightforward, ensuring you can get up and running quickly, while the generous print area provides ample space for your creative projects without breaking the bank. You'll appreciate the high-quality prints produced straight from the default slicer settings, which means you won't have to fine-tune every aspect of your prints to achieve satisfying results. Plus, with the convenience of controlling your printer through a mobile device, you can monitor your projects from anywhere in your home. One of the standout features is the fast printing mode, reaching speeds of 500mm per second, allowing you to complete your design swiftly. The printer is versatile too. It supports a wide range of filaments including polylactic acid plus, polyethylene terephthalate, glycol, acrylonitrile, butadiene styrene, thermoplastic, polyurethane, carbon fiber, and wood composite. Whether you're experimenting with different materials or perfecting a favorite, the M5C has you covered. AnkerMake also includes a comprehensive toolkit featuring essential items like Allen wrenches, a filament cutter, and an extra extruder nozzle, adding value for beginners. With its user-friendly design and robust capabilities, the AnkerMake M5C is an outstanding choice for anyone eager to dive into the world of 3D printing. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, our pick for best 3D printer with fully auto-leveling. Experience the future of 3D printing with the cutting-edge FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M series. Say goodbye to the frustrations of manual bed leveling. The one-click automatic printing feature ensures that you achieve flawless first layers and consistent adhesion every time. This means more time for creativity and innovation, and less time dealing with technical hiccups. Designed for speed and precision, the Adventurer 5M's Core XY structure allows for ultra-fast printing, up to 12 times quicker than traditional printers. This lightweight yet stable design is perfect for both rapid prototyping and mass production projects, ensuring high-quality results that meet your needs. You'll appreciate the smart features of the Adventurer 5M, like quick nozzle changes in just 3 seconds, a high-flow nozzle for stable high-speed printing, and a dual-sided polyethermide platform for hassle-free removal of your creations. Plus, with a rapid warm-up time of only 35 seconds and various platform options available, this printer is as efficient as it is versatile. Elevate your printing experience with dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation technology, and a range of nozzle sizes that cater to different materials. Whether you're focusing on intricate details or working on rapid prototypes, the AD5M consistently delivers outstanding results. Stay connected to your printing projects through the FlashMaker mobile app. Monitor your progress in real time, adjust parameters, and receive alerts, ensuring that your creative process remains uninterrupted. The Adventurer 5M series truly enhances your 3D printing experience, putting you in control. Number 3. Toybox 3D printer, our pick for best 3D printer for kids. If you're seeking a fun and educational way to bond with your kids, the Toybox 3D printer could be the perfect solution. Imagine sitting together and bringing your own unique toys to life. Setting up the Toybox is straightforward, which means you can easily navigate the process with your child. Once set up, you can explore a vast library of toy designs through the Toybox app or browser, making it easy to find something that piques your child's interest. The experience of watching your creations materialize can be truly magical. Targeted at children aged 5 and up, the Toybox ensures that even the youngest makers can get involved, with your guidance along the way. This shared activity not only nurtures your child's creativity, but also provides a wonderful opportunity for you to connect, collaborate, and learn together. While the Toybox's build area is modest, and it exclusively uses polylactic acid filament, it offers a unique, hands-on experience that encourages imaginative play. Although importing and printing external files isn't seamless, the Toybox's curated designs are engaging and fun for both kids and adults. Ultimately, the Toybox 3D printer opens up a world of imaginative possibilities, making it a fantastic tool for creative play and learning that you'll both cherish. Dive into this exciting journey of creation and watch as you and your child's ideas come to life. Number 2, ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro, our pick for best 3D printer for beginners. If you're a beginner seeking a dependable 3D printer, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro might just be the ideal option for you. Packed with user-friendly features, this printer is designed to simplify your printing experience while ensuring high-quality results. One of the standout elements of the Neptune 4 Pro is its dual-gear direct-drive extruder, which guarantees smooth and consistent filament extrusion. This means you can expect more reliable prints with fewer hiccups. The intelligent segmented heat bed allows for accurate temperature control, further enhancing print quality. Plus, its robust construction ensures you have a durable machine that will serve you well for years to come. Compared to previous models, this upgraded version showcases significant advancements in speed, bed leveling, and extruder performance. This translates to quicker and more precise prints, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than troubleshooting. During testing, users noted that the Neptune 4 Pro produced detailed and smooth models, upholding a consistently high standard of print quality. While you may encounter minor challenges, such as slight adjustments for dimensional accuracy or software compatibility, these are easily manageable with a bit of tinkering. Overall, the Neptune 4 Pro delivers exceptional value with its competitive pricing and robust features. Whether you're embarking on your 3D printing journey or looking to enhance your setup, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro is a choice you can confidently make. Number 1, Monoprice Voxel, our pick for best 3D printer overall. If you're considering delving into the world of 3D printing, the Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is an excellent starting point that balances quality and affordability. You'll find that its heated print bed can significantly enhance your printing experience, particularly when working with materials like acrylonitrile, butadiene, styrene, as it ensures more reliable adhesion during the printing process. One of the standout features of the Voxel is its user-friendly design, designed with novices in mind. The top of the print bed slides out and is bendable, making it incredibly easy for you to remove your completed prints without any hassle. Additionally, its enclosed structure is a crucial aspect if you're planning to use it at home or in a classroom, as it helps to contain odors and provides a safer environment. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the Voxel's speed, producing high-quality prints in a time frame typically associated with more expensive printers. During testing, it accurately captured intricate details and portrayed natural, smooth curves that you'll be proud to showcase. Although you may encounter a few minor challenges during setup, once you've navigated through those initial hurdles, the Monoprice Voxel becomes your gateway to an exciting 3D printing journey, making it one of the best choices for first-time users eager to create. With a layer resolution range of 50 to 400 microns and compatibility with various materials like acrylonitrile, butadiene-styrene, polylactic acid, and unique metal fills, your creative possibilities are virtually limitless. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which 3D printer you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.